Welcome to Active Administrator. I'm Diana Vanderlaan, a Technical Product Specialist with Dell. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to install Active Administrator. Please make sure you have a working installation of SQL and have reviewed the system requirements in the documentation. Within the location where the files were downloaded, run the autorun.exe file. Select the Setup tab and the Active Administrator Server component to begin the installation. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and Next, the installation location, and click Install. Click Finish, and the configuration wizard will display in a few moments. Click Next to create the Active Administrator database. Browse to your SQL Server, or you can manually enter your SQL Server name. The default database name is Active Administrator, and SQL Express 2012 can be downloaded if needed. Here is where the security groups AA_admin and AA_user are created. By default, the location is local groups on the SQL Server. Click Next to create the archive database. Select Next. Next for the security groups again. On this page, the purge and archive settings can be reviewed and adjusted, or they can be changed at a later time if desired. The Active Administrator share is created. By default, it's on the C drive. Enter your email server settings, and then click Next. Enter the email address that should receive the Active Administrator reports. It's suggested to keep the default selections on the next several panes. You can always go back and make adjustments later if needed. Trustees can be added if needed, now or later. Next, enter the admin account that is going to be used for the Active Administrator services and click Next. Click Finish to begin the installation. Some of the wait times have been removed from this video. Click Finish, and the Server Management Console will open. First, select the country you reside in for the Software Improvement Program and click OK. The next step is to go to the Agent Management tab to install the agents on your domain controllers. Click Install and select Next after reading the warning. Then select the domain controllers to install the agents on. Normally it's installed on all DCs at this time. Enter the domain admin account that will be used for installing the agents. Click Next. Review the summary. And click Finish to install the agents. This can take some time depending on your environment, so you can come back later to check the progress. When all agents are installed, you'll see them in the upper pane with the status of activated. The next step is to install the Active Administrator console component. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and Next, install, and in a few moments the console will open. Here, my evaluation license has been detected and I can select I agree. If you need to apply a license, it can be done via the Help About License menu within the Server Management Console. Select the country you reside in for the Software Improvement Program and click OK. That completes this demonstration. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Active Administrator, visit quest.com/active-administrator. For more video tutorials, visit quest.com/support.